Hello, J&M Reviews here, and today I would like to review this free sample provided by Joy Mop. So it is a broom and a dusting pan. So first of all, let me tell you, it will come in pieces as is shown here in the box. Different pieces with the A, B, C, and then the mop here is with the E, F, G, H, I instructions. It is very quickly to put it on. So basically, as I show here, you just have to connect these pieces, and they are made of stainless steel, which you just have to lock it in and it's ready to use. So this is very durable. The material is stainless steel and you can hang it on the wall. So for example, you finish cleaning, you can hang it on the wall like that, which is very useful. I like that the two of them match. As you can see, you can sweep the floor, and then there are teeth here, if I can call it like that, that is going to help you get rid of hairs and dust. So your broom is clean all the time. Another thing that I love about this broom, and this is one of the main reasons I will stick to this broom at all times, is that it fits to small spaces, as you can see here. It fits smoothly through small spaces, allowing you to clean deeper and to get more dust off the floor, as I can show here. And I like that the dusting pen is big enough that you can clean large areas and you can just collect the dust here until you're ready to dump it in the garbage. I hope you enjoy my review. I hope you try this broom if you're looking for a set. This is a great recommendation. Thank you for watching my video.